Merry Christmas. See, you got a lot of gift. Hey. See, open the gift. See? Nice. It's nice. You, thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Почуття бачив пані. А мені ручуючи по кафе. Thank you, Chooch. Beer. Thank you. Take out the magic of the Chooch. Hey, nice. Thank you very much. You do a good job.
What are you doing, Chooch?
I smoke cigarettes. I relax a little bit.
What did you eat?
Pasta, prosciutto, mozzarella.
Did you drink anything?
I drink a beer.
Enjoying yourself?
Yeah. For another cigarette. Then I relax.
What are you doing?
Nothing.
Where's your beer?
No beer. That's it. No more. Stop a drink.
What do you got over here?
Huh? You got a wine. Champagne.
Let's see it.
Rufino. New Year's I drink.
What about champagne?
Everything.
How was your day?
Good. Very good. What about you? You good day?
It's good. What did you get? Let me see your shoes.
It's nice. Timberland.
See it? Nice. It's a Christmas tree.
Yeah. You have a good time. That's it. Where you going?
Nowhere. Where are you going?
Huh?
Where are you going?
No way. I stay home.
What are you doing this week?
Huh? I see tomorrow what up.
Well, you gotta cook.
Yeah, cook it tomorrow. I'm a little tired. I don't sleep too much.
How many hours you sleep?
Wow.
Oh, that's it?
Yeah.
Did you eat some cookies?
Yeah. I eat that before.
What's your favorite type of cookie to eat? What do you like the most?
Everything.
You like American or Italian better?
Italia, America. What's a big deal? Something. Salute everybody. Merry Christmas.